Hello kids! Today we are going to learn all the shapes and its color. Okay. First we start from the here. Which color is this kids? It's pink color. It's pink color. Pink and it is the star. Which color is this kids? It's yellow. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Which color is this kids? It's green. Green trapezoid. Light green square. Light green square. And it have four sides. Which color is this kids? It's purple. Purple oval. Purple oval. Which color is this kids? It's yellow. Yellow rectangle. Yellow rectangle. And it have four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Wow. Which color is this kids? It's blue. Blue octagon. It have 8 sides. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon. Which color is this kids? It's green. Green heart. Woohoo. Let's find the right shape. Okay. Start from here. It is right shape. No. No. Yes. It is hexagon. Red hexagon. It have 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Red hexagon. No. 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 Yes. It is purple pentagon. Purple pentagon. Okay. It have 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. Okay. No. No. Yes. It is green semi-circle or half circle. Green half circle. Wow, amazing. Which color is this kid? It's pink. Let's find its home. Oh. No. No. Yes. It is parallelogram. Pink parallelogram. No. Yes. Orange quadrifoil. No. No. Yes. Orange pie. Orange pie. Which color is this, kids? It's blue. Blue cross. Wow. Woohoo! Yes! We found its home. It is triangle. It's have three different sides. 1, 2, 3. That's why its name is triangle. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.